Hello class, today we are going to discuss about qualification of UV visual spectrophotometer. According to ICH guidelines, our equipments also to be calibrated before use. So in this presentation, we are going to discuss about qualification of UV visual spectrophotometer. So what is validation? It is an act of demonstrating and documenting that the process operates effectively and reproducibly to produce a product meeting its predetermined specification and quality attributes. Aim of validation is to show that the critical steps are under control and lead continuously to be desired quality. Calibration is the comparison between measurement one of known material or correctness made or set with a device and measurement made in as similar as a way with a second device. Qualification is an act or process to ensure something complies with some standards, a condition or specific requirement. So qualification, it includes design qualification, installation qualification, operation qualification and performance qualification. Design qualification, documented evidence which shows that the plant design agrees with the design specification of the customer. Installation qualification, written evidence is given that all parts of equipment are installed according to the equipment supplier and purchase specification. Operational qualification, documented evidence which shows that all the parts of plant and equipment work within their specification process. Parameters. Performance qualification provide documented evidence that all parts of plant and other produce product or specific quality under control under normal production for a longer period of time. UV visual spectrophotometer, it is concerned with ultraviolet and visible region which ranges from 200 to 780 nanometer. Now installation procedure. While the UV instrument was shipped, after the precise adjustment and inspection at the factory, it is recommended to install according to the following procedures so as to provide its optimum performance and it to meet the user's demand. Installation site, room temperature during use of 15 to 35 degrees centigrade, out of direct sunlight, no storage vibration or continuous weak vibration, no strong magnetic field or electromagnetic fields, humidity of 45 to 80%, no corrosive gases of organic or inorganic gases will absorb in the ultraviolet range, small amount of dust should not be there. Acceptance procedure, item to be checked, appearance, no defect, number of part, no missing part, ROM check, latest version, linearity of absorbent bent, noise level, noise width, 0.002 absorbance and shock noise 0.004, accuracy of wavelength 0.05 nanometer, 0.5 nanometer, repeatability of wavelength 0.1 nanometer. Performance qualification, wavelength accuracy, it is defined as a deviation of the wavelength reading at an absorption band and emission band from wavelength of the band. Acceptance, plus minus nanometer in UV range, plus minus nanometer in visible range. 3 repeated scan of the same peak should be within 0.5 nanometer. Stray light. Stray light is defined as a detected light of any wavelength that is outside the bandwidth of the wavelength selected. Acceptance, the transmittance of the solution in a 1 centimeter cell should be less than 0.01 or the absorbance value should be greater than 2. The resolution power, the resolution of the UV spectrophotometer is related to its spectral bandwidth. The smaller the bandwidth, the finer the resolution. The SBW depend on the slit width and the dispersive power of the monochromator. Acceptance, the ratio of absorbance at 260 nanometer should not be greater than 1.5. Noise is a measurement affect the accuracy at the both end of the absorbance scale. Photon noise from the light source affect the accuracy of the measurement, lead to low absorbance. Acceptance, the RMS noise should be less than 0.001 AU. Baseline flatness, flat baseline test demonstrate that the ability of the instrument to normalize the light intensity measurement and the spectral output at different wavelengths throughout the spectral range. Acceptance, the measurement is typical. Stability, the lamp intensity is a function of lamp age, temperature fluctuation and wavelength of the measurement. These changes can lead to error in the value of the measurement over an extended period of time. Acceptance detection limit is less than 0.002 AU per hour. Photometric accuracy, determined by comparing the difference between measured absorbance of the reference material and the established value. Acceptance, 6 replicate, measurement of 0.006% weight by volume of the potassium dichromate solution at 235 257 nanometer should be less than 0.5% RS. Linearity: the linear dynamic range of measurement is limited by stray light at high absorbance and by noise at low absorbance. The accuracy of the quantification of the sample depends on the precision and linearity of the measurement. Acceptance correlation coefficient R is must be greater than 0.999. These are the references. Thank you.